Love this part of the show. It is time for the nightcap. And we know there's nothing like a nap right after a really big Thanksgiving feast. 10 out of 10. But we found one fella who's taken that nap into overtime. Take a look.
Snooze it, pup.
How cute is this? Okay, I think he might be hibernating. What do you think? This is Parker. And if we flip it over, as you just saw, you can get a better sense of what Parker actually looks like, his little fangs hanging out. Okay, is that not a face that you could fall in love with?
He's
He's
so
adorable.
cute.
Yeah, that's right. The good folks at the Animal Welfare League in Arlington tell us Parker will be available for adoption next week.
I have a lab at home who snores just like that as well. Oh my goodness, he's sawing logs all the time.